Jizz gang.
Hey Jizz gang, we're back with another episode of Campfire Cooking with the Gang. We've got two spit roasts coming. We're going to see how it goes. Got our fire working in the background and it's going to be super great. Woo woo. Jizz gang. Rrr.
So first we gotta make our homemade spit machine. So that involves grinding grooves in a stick on each side of the fire so that another stick can rotate within those grooves. And we have a motor that rotates the stick over the fire with the food on. So that's really cool. Let's see how it goes. Jizz gang. Beautiful. Beautiful roast, ready to eat. Yum yum.
So that's the video, Jizz gang. We got yummy roast dinner in a lovely bun. That's all the roast we got out of the fire spit roast. And I'm going to enjoy this. So please like and subscribe and peace out. Woo woo.
Thanks for watching.